How to add a live event on Facebook. First of all, go ahead and open up the Facebook application on your phone. You will then be brought to the Facebook homepage. Here, you can explore and view pages and friends' posts. On this page, go to the status box at the top. Here, scroll down and tap on Live Event. Now, select a category from here. If you want to create a new live event, then tap on Create Your Own. Once you're here, tap on Change Icon to change the icon of your live event. Then, enter a new title for the event. You can also change the date and add a description if you want. Once you're done, tap on Next at the top. You can manage other post settings from here. After that, tap on Post at the top right corner. You have now successfully shared this live event. Following these steps, you can easily add a live event on Facebook.